Welcome back to eSIM Studios. Boy, do I have a good one for y'all today. This might be my new favorite case for my Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. This one is an awesome case. What do I have for you today? Well, I have the Thinborne case, as I mentioned, for the S24 Plus. Now, this is called Aramid fiber case. It's got the MagSafe magnet in there. It is wireless charging compatible, and boy, this thing is awesome. I cannot wait to show y'all. So this is their MagSafe ready super thin Aramid fiber case. Now you can get it on their website, Thinborn.com, Thinborn with an E at the end.com. You sign up with your email address, you get up to 15% off. Thinborn sent this over to me in return for a fair and honest review, and I could not wait to hit record. This thing is awesome, right? So let's get into the construction and what makes it so special, and then we'll throw it on the phone and check it out, right? Here at eSIM Studios, we do the most extensive case reviews. If you are looking for cases like this, come over here. We examine everything: construction, build quality, how protective it is, and cannot wait to get into this. But it is made of premium 600D Aramid fiber, ultra slim, lightweight, perfect fitment with precision, MagSafe compatibility, gorgeous carbon fiber textures for grip. Now it's also they do offer a limited lifetime warranty. It's built to endure. It does offer military grade drop protection, which is insane considering how thin this is. It's a very tough case. The Aramid fiber is why it is such a tough case. Now, if you're wondering, well, what the heck is Aramid fiber? Well, I did some homework for you, and let me show you what I found, so you don't have to, right? Look at this. So what is Aramid fiber, right? Aramid fibers are aromatic polyamide fibers containing more than 85% aramide bonds directly connected with the two aryls. Anyways, this kind of fiber has the following advantages. Check this out. It's lightweight, high strength, high modules, high temperature resistant, and excellent corrosion resistance, right? And then I know the next question is, because it was the next question in my mind, well, is it better than carbon fiber, right? Because you hear, oh, I want a carbon fiber case, this and that, you know, it's what they make the Formula One cars out of. Well, after doing some more research and thinking to myself that very question, here's the answer. Aramid fiber is known for its impact resistance and flame resistance, while carbon fiber is prized for its stiffness and low weight. The choice between Aramid fibers and carbon fiber will depend on the specific requirements of the application. And when you're protecting your phone, you got it, impact resistance. So actually, for your device, Aramid fiber, which is what this Thinborne case is made out of, is actually better than carbon fiber, believe it or not. So you're actually getting better protection on your device for your Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus with this Thinborne case. I'm telling you, they did their research, they did their homework. Their R&D department, research and development team, knocked it out of the park with this one, right? When you want protection and you want a thin, because you know a lot of people don't like bulky cases, right? I, for one, use a thin case in the house, and when I leave the house, I put a more protective, bulkier case on. Well, for the last few days, I've been using this case inside and outside the house, because after doing my research, I was like, holy crap, this is perfect. It will protect even if you go outside. So if you're looking for a thin solution for a cover case for your device, but also provides optimal protection, right, for when you leave the home, this is it. you have to look no further. You can slap this on your phone and it's like you don't even have a case on it at all, right? So let me shut up. Let's get into what's inside the box. Okay, let me add this. There we go. Now I'll zoom in once we get a little closer here to the install. Actually, you know what? Why don't I do that right now? Hang on, let me change camera angles. There we go. That's much better. Okay, so once you open this up, right, you get this nice Aramid look. That's the name of it, right? Aramid fiber? Yes, Aramid fiber, quote unquote carbon fiber look. Very nice presentation here. And they give you a little pamphlet on exactly how it's made. Aramid fiber, durable, lightweight, impact resistant. All the information that I basically gave you is in here, as well as it tells you how to take care of the case, right? For smudges, it tells you how to clean it, and let's see, gives you warranty information as well. 6-month warranty for manufacturer flaws. You can register your warranty on their website. And they are out of Frisco, Texas. So please, please, please support homegrown businesses. So many of these case companies are not located in the U.S. They're located here in Texas. This is a homegrown company. We need to support local companies. Look, this is a phenomenal product. Let me just shut up and get to it, right? But like their other cases, they offer you a handwritten letter, right? How many other case companies are doing that? Let me tell you, zero, big fat zero. So you get the nice information there. You get, what is this? You can contact Thinborn at info@Thinborn, and look at that, a United States phone number. What do you know? That you can reach out if you got any questions, concerns, comments, whatever. Wow, look at this thing. Woo! Now, I put it back to make it look all nice and neat, but I've been using it for the last few days, and as you can tell, durable, right? Look, there's no real fingerprints. That's the other thing too. You got to worry about fingerprints on some of these cases. With these fibers, there are none. Look at that. Designed in Texas, made in China. Well, everything's made there, but this is a homegrown Texas company. So now it does provide screen protectors. Look at this. And this is not just some screen protector. Look at this. Quality. Same cutout. Look, if you don't like these glass screen protectors with the little hole cut out here, this one, now let me tell you why this is important, right? This screen protector does not have a cutout for a hole. Now, the advantage of that is that you can properly clean right in front of the lens. A lot of times when you have these cutouts, it collects dust, it collects lint, it collects smudges, and when you wipe it with a paper towel like this, right, with cleaner on it, it doesn't get right on top of the lens, right? That is a pain in the butt. With this one, you can clean it and it's 100% clear, right? So you can clean it. It goes right on there. In fact, we'll install it here in just a second, right? Look at that. It goes perfectly on the device. So they also give you installation accessories here for your screen protector. So let me pause this and let me get it set up and we'll throw it on. This screen protector they include with this Thinborn case is absolutely phenomenal. I'm almost speechless, and I rarely say that. The screen protector is on this phone. Can you tell? You can't even tell there's a screen protector on this. It looks like the phone screen. Very, very, very thin black borders that actually mirror the borders of the display inside. But as you can tell, can you see the look on the border? You can barely tell it's on there. So the screen protector alone is freaking awesome. So enough talking. Let's look at this case here. It is MagSafe compatible. Yes, we will try the we will try this. Boom. Stays on there nice and tight. No issues there. Now look at what you get here. This is, you have a nice big cutout for your power USB Type-C cable, data cable, and you have a nice cutout for your speakers down there on the bottom right. You have a nice precise cutout for the microphones up top. And then you have, which I like, a section that's cut out for the power, volume down, and volume up buttons, right? Because there's no guessing which button is what when it's in your pocket. You know exactly where it's at. And then you have camera protection. Very, very, very nice construction. It's not that flimsy, right? With the fibers that they're using on this, yeah, it's not a cheap product. I mean, this is top of the line. This is as good as it gets. As we mentioned earlier, this is better. This is better than carbon fiber. So this is basically the best of the best when you want to protect. Because look, these things are $1,000. This is $1,000 phone, right? Last thing you want to do is break it. This is basically insurance for your device, right? At least that's how I look at it. It goes on nice and easy. Look at that. You don't even have to struggle with it. Oh my God, look how good that looks. You got nice and minimal. I like their logo too. It looks really cool. I mean, that's about as good as it gets, folks. You do have some lip protection, meaning not a lot. Remember, this is a minimal case, but it is about as tough as you can get, right? As far as drop protection, it's military grade, built to endure. They offer a lifetime warranty. It's basically a no-brainer. If you want a thin case and you want to protect your phone, you got to get this, right? Look, nice precise cutouts, microphone, USB Type-C, speaker. As we mentioned earlier, there's your cutouts for the microphones up top. And you have camera protection. Look at that. So the case sits higher than the camera lenses, right? So when you lay it flat down, you're not going to scratch up the sensors on the back. And as I mentioned before, minimal lip on here, meaning how high does the edge, does the border of the case sit up from the screen? It has to sit higher than the screen, so you don't damage your screen protector or your screen if in the event of a drop, right? This sits ever so slightly just above the screen protector when you install their provided screen protector. So when you lay it face down on a countertop, on a barbecue park bench, or wherever you're at, countertop, as I mentioned, it's not going to scratch your screen protector. It's not going to scratch your display. Now, it has these slits right here on all four corners, just so it makes it easier to give it some flex when you're putting on and removing the case, right? And then check that out. You got cutouts for the power button, volume down, volume up. Now, you're not going to have to worry about getting those damaged because, if you can tell, the case actually, the side of the case sits out just a hair wider than these buttons, right? So if it falls down, well, look at that, stands right up, it's not going to scratch or damage the power and or volume buttons. Let's try the wireless charging. You see here at the top right, it shows it is charging. You can turn off the screen. Wireless charging. So that works, and it's a very strong magnet. Look at this. Who else? What else What other case would you be able to do that with? Not many. And I know everyone is wondering, well, with the screen protectors, when you apply them on your device, does the fingerprint sensor still work? And the answer is yes. As you can tell, I'm registering my fingerprint as such. And just double checking, if you check your added fingerprints, remember this does have the screen protector on. I know it's hard to tell because the screen protector is first class, but watch. It registers. Thinborne case for the S24 Ultra. Absolutely phenomenal. Probably, I'm not even lying to you, this might be on probably the top of my list for favorite cases. I've been using it for the last few days, and I have no plans of taking it off. So if I, who am very picky with cases, if I say that, then it is definitely a go. Definitely give it my approval for you, the consumer, if you want to protect your phone, right? Not only the minimalist look, it's thin, it's lightweight, it feels like you don't even have a case on, but it's stylish too, right? I mean, you can't beat that. And with that screen protector that looks like you don't even have anything on there, that's an added bonus that you will not regret. I can promise you that. And they come with two, so for whatever reason, if you do mess it up, or it's a little crooked, they gave you an extra one as well. So I want to thank Thinborne. I do appreciate the sending this case over. I absolutely love this thing, and I believe you will too. So go to thinborn.com, thinborn with an e.com. Links will be in the description below. And if you got any questions, comments, or concerns, holler at me in the comments. I check them every day. And I don't think you will with this case. Almost guaranteed you're going to love it. So it has my seal of approval. eSIM Studios. See you tomorrow. Peace.